Hey guys, welcome to week 5 of At Home Learning. We are going to be working on reading today. Our I can statement is I can identify the main topic of a nonfiction text. So let's go to our little anchor chart. What is a main topic? Well, main topic is just what the text is mostly about. So it's just that one big important thing that you're reading about. We find main topics in nonfiction texts. What does nonfiction mean? Right, nonfiction means that it's true. So how are we going to find the main topic? Well, in order to find the main topic, we're going to look at the title, we're going to look at the pictures, and we're going to read the first and last sentence one more time. So we'll do those things to help us find the main topic. So we're going to start by me giving you a topic, and we're going to brainstorm some details to go along with that topic. So the topic that we're going to look at is blue. Here's my blue crayon. My topic is blue. What are some things that you can think of that are blue? We'll brainstorm together. The first one that I thought of was blueberries. My little boy loves blueberries. So when I said our topic is blue, I said, oh, first thing that comes to my head is blueberries. So for our topic, we're now coming up with the details about that topic. So we're coming up with like things that could be blue for our topic. So my first one was blueberries. The next one that I thought about, I think I was doing some science work and I thought about this one. I thought about a butterfly. Butterflies can also be blue. Now my sentence says can be blue because not all butterflies are blue, but some of them are. Some of them can be. What else can be blue? Birdies. Birds can be blue. So I have this little tiny picture of a bird because birds can be blue. And brainstorm some more things. I want a really big list, lots of details for my topic. A little fish. Fish can be blue, like Dory. That's not Dory, but if you know who Dory is, you know that she's blue. She's a dark blue. And then that made me think, the ocean. The ocean is blue. It's even bluer in other places. So some places it's the dark blue, like what you see at the top, and then some places it's like a light, beautiful, almost clear looking blue, like you see at the bottom of that picture. What are some more things that can be blue? A hat. You can put anything, a shirt, pants, shoes, lots of clothes that can be blue. I just decided to put a hat. So those are all of my, oh wait, I think I have two more. I just thought of another thing that could be blue. A car. How cool would that be? So if my main topic is blue, another detail, something else that can be blue, could be a little car. Okay, last one, and then we're going to read a passage. Boom. A Star Wars lightsaber. Mine's going to be blue. So that was awesome, guys. My main topic is blue. We're going to come up with all of these details just to support that main topic. All right, that was absolutely amazing. So now we're going to read a passage, and we're going to try to figure out what the main topic of this passage is. So the passage is called Baby Animals. I see my steps over here. These steps are going to tell me what to do with the passage to figure out the main topic. So step 1 says read the text. Text is just another word for the book or the article, the passage. Text just means anywhere that the words are written. So we're going to read this text. Baby animals. A baby pig is called a piglet. Oh, that must be my piglet. And that must be my mommy pig. So there's my piglet. A baby cow is called a calf. Oh, I didn't know that. Baby cow is called a calf. A baby duck is called a duckling. Look at that little baby duck. She's so cute. A baby horse is called a foal. That's one big baby. All right, guys. So we've read the text. So I think I have a pretty good idea of what the main topic of this is. Go ahead and brainstorm in your head. What do you think the main topic is? What do you think it is? I think I have a pretty good idea, but I am going to go follow all of my steps just to be sure that I have the correct main topic. So, I said read the text. Okay, I did that. Step 2, look at, uh-oh, even Miss Gaines makes mistakes. There we go. Look at the title. So my title is Baby Animals. That is what I read mostly about, the names of different baby animals. So that would be a pretty good main topic. Let me keep looking. Let me do my next step just to be sure. Look at the pictures. Okay. Well, the pictures match the title. I think I know. In step 4, reread the first and last sentence, okay? First sentence is right here. A baby pig is called a piglet. Okay, my first sentence was talking about a baby pig. Let me read the last sentence. That's one big baby. I want to talk about a repetition of words. So I heard the word baby in both of those sentences, the first sentence and the last sentence. Now, I know that I'm not talking about a baby like Miss Gaines' baby. I'm talking about baby animals. So, what's the main topic? Absolutely, the main topic is baby animals. Fantastic job, you guys. Can't wait to see you in our small groups so that we can find some more main topics of passages. See you later.